Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Jingeh University, Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union hakalai phau tarik ujaliu arja Memriwu kala Sdang ya Jingïakhih dakabate ya Lama Ïong haki kali ambulans 108 bat kani Jingïakhih ka long persha ya Jingeh Dohnud ka Sorkar jala ka bamshem la sngap ya jingdawa jongki nong tari kani ka shilem trikam ka bakongsan ka bala kenjo mentala khat prasnem ban shakri klem shong thaj ya pajba nong shong shinong jala haki jingja bakerki kumban supen ken mau hang ni baka kenhun kala dawa ya ka Sorkar ban pendam shisndon ya ka jing persyang ban aiwa ya ka ni ka shilem trikam siki company cement namar baka kata ya ka lawai jongki nong tray bad ya ka jing trikam jong ka EMRI 108 ka senggala dawa ban penskem no ya ka jing shakri jongki nong tray bad ban penbun susu ya ki jingdon ki kali ambulans 108 ha borok we jala.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.